Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Let's take a cup of coffee and start talking. Wow, delicious. So don't be scared. Just be simple, like me. Just so simple. I'm not Bill Gates. I'm not Jeff Bezos. I'm not Elon Musk. I'm a simple man, right? But I can communicate. I can give my message. I can talk. I can make people understand what I'm talking about. Yes or no? Isn't that important? If you can just make people understand what you're talking about, is that not communication? That is what I am saying. And that is what is important, not perfection. Just because you are poor, the best dress coat that you can wear, the thousands and millions of people who cannot open their mouth just because they are scared, just because they are ashamed, just because they think they are not important, just because they have no self-esteem. They think they're useless and people will not listen to them. That's why I am representing them. That's why I am speaking on behalf of them. Don't be scared. Let your voice be heard. Don't be scared. Let your voice be heard. Because your voice is important. You are the masterpiece of creation. You are unique. You are beautiful. You have the capacity. You have the potential. You have the ability. Explore yourself. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Let's take a cup of coffee and start talking. Wow, delicious. We have a very important topic to discuss today. Many of you were asking me about public speaking. Many of you were asking about English speaking. So we are going to discuss about confidence, speaking in English, speaking in public, speaking in front of a large audience, and be confident. That's the topic we're going to discuss today. A very important topic for all of you, right? There will be so many people talking, telling me or commenting things like, he's trying to act over smart or something. People may say you're faking your accent. Don't worry. I'm a simple man, living my own dreams, believing my own principles, and living by my own principles. So I don't care, and you don't need to care. That sounds quite arrogant, right? Don't worry, this is life. You have to live by your own principles, not by what others tell you. We are going to talk about a very important topic, how to remove your stage fear. That's a very important topic, right? I know that is important. So I am going to tell you a very, very interesting story about my life and how I overcame stage fear. When I was in class 6th standard in Manipur, I enrolled myself for a extemporary speech competition. I was so scared. That was the first time I was going to speak in front of people. Thousands of students were going to listen to me, are going to judge me, they're going to look at me, and so many teachers were going to look at me. I was so scared. I was damn scared. When I was just walking by, I saw a teacher who loved me. And I told him, "Sir, this is the first time I'm going to speak. This is the first time I'm going to participate in an extemporary speech competition. I'm so scared. I'm damn scared and I'm shivering. What should I do?" I asked him that question and he told me, "My dear student," he used to call me smart boy because I used to comb my hair well. So he advised me, "My dear student, smart boy, think that all the people are gonna listen to you are pumpkins. You don't need to feel ashamed of pumpkins, right? The pumpkins are not gonna judge you. The pumpkins don't have the thinking ability, so they are not gonna react. They are not gonna say anything to you. So just think that they are pumpkins and you'll be alright. Your stage fear will be flown away." I was so boosted. I was so happy. I became so positive. Remember, I was just class 6. I climbed on the stage, picked a random topic, and I began to speak like who? You can never imagine. They were shocked. They were surprised. I lifted my hands and spoke like I was speaking to a million sinner. I was speaking like I was preaching to a million sinner who committed grave sins. And they were so shocked. The judges gave me good marks, good points, and definitely, obviously, I got first position. From then on, I began to speak, and for 10 years consecutively, I won all the speech competitions held in schools, colleges, inter-colleges, state-level competitions, and everything. For 10 years, I won them. And 99.99% of them all first positions. That's the thing. Why should you be scared of talking to people? Think everyone as your brothers and sisters. Think everyone as human beings. Why should you be scared of talking to a human being? Why should you be scared of talking to your fellow men and women? Why should you be scared of talking to another human being? You don't need to be scared. You just be proud of yourself. Be positive. You need to have self-esteem, right? People may say you are arrogant. People may say you are oversmart, but you don't need to be afraid of that. There will be people who appreciate you. There will be people who pull you down, who malign your name, who character assassinate you. You don't need to be scared of them. Just believe in yourself. Think you can do. Think you can win. Think you can speak. Life is beautiful. You need to make your voice heard to the public. First of all, you need to know the language of your speech. If you are going to speak in English, you need to know how to speak in English. You need to know how to communicate in English. That's very important. Communication itself is important. Even if you don't know grammar well, you can still communicate. But if you know grammar well, a lot better. But if you don't know the language, you're gonna find it difficult, right? And that's the reason you need to know a fair amount of knowledge of that particular language in which you are going to deliver your speech, or in which you are going to communicate. So first of all, know the language. That's very important. Any language, it could be Mandarin Chinese, it could be in English, it could be in Hindi, it could be in Manipuri, or it could be in French, Spanish, whatever. But you need to first of all know the language to have confidence. That's the first one. Secondly, you need to have the knowledge of the topic you're going to speak about, or the subject area. That's really very important. You got to keep that in your mind. Even if I think everyone is a pumpkin, or if you don't know the subject area of your speech, it's useless. You're going to lose all your confidence because people are not going to listen to you. People don't listen to dumb people. People don't listen to people who don't know anything. That's the reason you have to be expert in your subject area. If you are going to communicate about education, you have to know about education. If you are going to communicate about football, you have to know all about football. You have to be confident with yourself first. If you don't have the knowledge of that particular subject, you can't be confident. That's very important, right? So first of all, update yourself. Learn all that's going on in our society. Read a lot of books, listen to news, watch TV, watch news, read a lot more books. That's very important, right? You need to update yourself. You need to update your software. That's very important because an empty vessel makes much noise. Okay, that's one important point. We have finished 2 points. We're going to continue with the third point. The third point is also very important, and that is to believe in yourself. Believe that you can win. Believe that you can speak. Believe that you are powerful. Believe that you are something important. Believe that you are gonna win. Believing in yourself is very important. If you don't believe in yourself, you're gonna lose your confidence. And that's the reason you need to believe yourself. If you don't believe yourself, who is gonna believe you? If you don't believe in yourself, who is gonna believe you? If you wanna make people believe you, you'll have to first make yourself believe yourself, right? So believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Believe in your power. Believe in your knowledge. And people will listen to you. And you will be confident speaking in front of people. Who am I now? I can speak English well. I can communicate English well. I'm not the best. I'm not the most perfect person in the world. But I can communicate right. That's important. You don't need to be the best. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be best in the world to communicate. You just got to believe yourself and believe in your abilities. So friends, we just talked about 3 important points, right? They are very important. You need to follow them in order to really become fearless when you speak. You just don't need to worry about what kind of dress you're putting or you're wearing. This t-shirt costs around 360 rupees. I am not even applying oil on my hair. No cream, no perfume, no shoes. You just don't need to worry about those physical aspects of you if you really want to become a fluent speaker. First of all, you need to have those basic things that I told just now. Start learning. Hello, my friends, start learning. That's very important. You can do wonderful things. Don't be scared anymore. Don't be scared anymore. I'm telling you once again, don't be scared anymore. You're a normal human being. You're gonna talk to normal human beings. So don't be scared. Just be simple. like me. Just so simple. I'm not Bill Gates. I'm not Jeff Bezos. I'm not Elon Musk. I'm a simple man, right? But I can communicate. I can give my message. I can talk. I can make people understand what I'm talking about. Yes or no? Isn't that important? If you can just make people understand what you're talking about, is that not communication? It's not that better communication. That is what I am saying. And that is what is important. Not perfection. Just because you are poor, the best dress coat that you can wear. Just because you don't have the best lighting in the world, the best room in the world, the best audience in the world, the best camera in the world. You don't need to be scared. That's being coward. Don't be scared. Believe in yourself. Believe in your power. And you will do wonders in this world. Believe in yourself. I am very serious today because I am speaking a very important topic. The thousands and millions of people who cannot open their mouth just because they are scared, just because they are ashamed, just because they think they are not important, just because they have no self-esteem, just because they are poor. They think they are useless and people will not listen to them. That's why I am representing them. That's why I am speaking on behalf of them. Don't be scared. Let your voice be heard. Don't be scared. Let your voice be heard. Because your voice is important. You are the masterpiece of creation. You are unique. You are beautiful. You have the capacity. You have the potential. You have the ability. Explore yourself and be the best you can be. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. Give a thumbs up, a little comment, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.